Hey, thanks for watching this video. So what we wanted to talk to you about is when we meet with our clients to discuss the sale of their home, there's a few things we discuss about when we're talking about the pricing. There's looking at the what have sold in the past and the area sales, the history, and that's like driving and looking in the rear view mirror. But you also have to look ahead of you, and that's when we use different softwares and tools to be able to give us what the market trends are, and that allows us to be able to look ahead of us. So in this video, I'm going to demonstrate to you what we show our clients or what we prepare for them before we meet with them. So let's just pretend in this demonstration the house is in Richmond Hill, and it's not a one size fits all. So we're going to narrow this down and maybe go to community. So if it's, for example, in the Jefferson community, then we would narrow it down to Jefferson and maybe get to the type of house, right? So you can see that there was 135 houses sold, and the average days on market is 30 days. This is the average sale price. This is the median sale price and the average list to sold ratio. We go through all these things. Not everybody understands these things, and it might be speaking techno to you, but there are a lot of folks out there who like to know what these things are, or at least they like to know that the agent representing them, they understand what these numbers look like. So we'll be happy to go through all of them with you. So we narrow it down like this, we filter it out, and it's really cool because then it gives us, we're able to actually go through like bedrooms. So we can see, most of them are 4 bedrooms. So if our client's house had 3 bedrooms, then it would be a little bit, in this case, it's showing more money, but it's less. So a 4 bedroom average price is selling around 1.281. If you got a 5 bedroom, you're around 1.681. These ones are probably bungalows and custom homes. So and you're able to go through bathrooms, see how many washrooms there are. Most of them are 4, but there are some 5 as well, and then 3. But then if you had 6, those ones would be in the 1.7 range. So and then these ones were mistake, but then what's really cool, you can go get graphics like this where it shows you the average days on market, so you can see the trend, how it's been moving since last year. We can go less times, more times, long time. We can check out the list to sold ratio. So this tells us, for example, a property, if it was listed at $1 million, it's selling at close to 989. So it's not really selling at full asking, and obviously in the last year or two, it's been like that. It's not like it used to be. You know, this is telling us basically 16% of the homes are selling for full price or more than asking price in the month of June. And we're able to check out the units sold, and these are detached houses. So if you had a townhouse or a condo or a semi-detached, we're able to filter it out and looks exactly what your property is going to look like. And this one is a really good one. This is what probably most people are interested in, finding out what the average price is looking like. So I like to look at the median price, and you can see if you were living in Richmond Hill and you had a detached house in the Jefferson community, in the last 12 months, your home has dropped in about 5%. So if you go back to, let's say, 3 years, or just beginning of 2017, right before we had that spike where it was around 1.8. So that's the highest the houses were trading at. Now we're around 1.2, where probably more realistic, 1.2 to 1.4. It's ranging, it's trading those types of houses. So it's come down about 21% just from this part. So if you calculate it from here, probably a little bit more. So we're able to really look at these numbers, dissect it, study it, and not just, you know, make a decision as if it's everything is a one size fits all, and do the same pricing strategy for every house, no matter where the community or the type or the price. We look at this and we do our research. It allows us to understand what strategy to implement, and thus get the best result for our clients. So I hope this helps. This would be a more custom tailored for you if you're interested. let us know. We'll be happy to serve you.